Welcome to the installation, commissioning, and operation video guide for the NXU-IIG surge arrestor. Before we begin, disconnect the power supply, wear insulating gloves and protective goggles. The necessary tools include wire strippers, crimping tools, wires of appropriate specifications, wire lugs, electric screwdrivers, flathead screwdrivers, insulating gloves, and a multimeter. Before starting the installation, please carefully read the instructions. To ensure the surge arrestor model matches the intended working conditions and choose a suitable installation location. The technique to installation is to first align the upper end of the surge protector with the upper edge of the DIN rail, and then gently press down on the bottom edge to push into the bottom latch, ensuring it is correctly inserted into the DIN rail. If you need to dismantle the surge protector, push it up hard on the bottom of the surge arrestor, lightly lift the top to detach it from the DIN rail, and then gently pull it back to smoothly remove it from the rail. Before the wiring process starts, choose wires with the appropriate cross-sectional area based on the product's current rating. It is recommended to refer to the instructions for guidance when making your selection. First, use the wire strippers to carefully strip off the outer insulation of the copper wire to expose 12 mm or a suitable length of the wire. Next, use crimping pliers to firmly crimp the wire lug onto the end of the copper wire for a stable connection. Finally, it is recommended to use an electric screwdriver that has a set torque value to tighten the wires. This is important because it ensures that the connection is stable and safe. When integrating the NXU-IIG into the terminal box, it is essential to strictly follow the electrical wiring diagram to ensure every connection point is correctly and securely made. During the wiring process, always comply with local electrical regulations and standards. Regularly check whether the surrounding environment meets the normal operating conditions of the surge arrestor. If the degradation indication window of the surge arrestor protection module has turned red, it means that the product has degraded and should be replaced in time. If you encounter any issues, please refer to the troubleshooting guide. We provide diagnostic methods and solutions for common faults. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.